Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will be learning how to create a minimal vector portrait in Adobe Illustrator. Now for that I have already created this artboard of 920 by 1080 pixels, and then we have this image. Now I'm going to create a vector illustration of this image. So I have already placed the image in the artboard. Now I will lock this layer. To lock it, I will just simply click on this box, and then from this create new layer icon I will create another layer above this. Now to start with, I will keep the stroke as black and the fill to none. Then with pen tool I will trace the face part, so I will select this pen tool, and now with Ctrl plus I will zoom in, and then I will start tracing the outline of his face. Also, since it's minimal, so no need to pay attention to these curves. Instead, just follow along this line like this, and as of now I'm just ignoring the beard part. Instead I'm just following this line. Now to create a curve, simply just place the cursor and then drag to create a nice curve. Also, if you want, you can use curvature tool, this one, to draw free-form designs. Now with pen tool only I will just simply trace his face like this. And then we'll create one stroke here, and one to define this face line. So I will place the cursor at this corner of the stroke, and then just give his face a little shape like this. And then join it here, give a curve, and then leave the stroke open. So as you can see, this part is done. Now for the hair detailing, I'm just going to lock this layer and we'll create another new layer. And for hair details, again I will use pen tool. You can, if you want, you can use pencil tool as well. And then for this hairline, instead of creating a straight curve, I will create these zigzag lines. So now let's show this part with pencil tool. Then just simply create lines like this. And then just follow along the hairline. Also, if you want, you can anytime you can switch between the tools. Now if you want, you can select this pen tool and then use it. Now just follow along the line like this and join all the strokes. Then for this part, again for hairline, just follow the same process, zigzag strokes like this. And then join. Now similarly, if you want to create beard and mustache, again just use the same process. Select these pen or pencil tool, use any of these, and then just also if you want any definite strokes, then use pen tool, but if you want a little bit of flowy strokes, then I will recommend this pencil tool. And also it's totally depends on your choice how you want the portrait to be like, and then use it as per your need and requirement. Now as you can see, we have the outline ready. And first, let's just place this in the center. So I'm just going to unlock this layer also, and with selection tool I will select this entire illustration and place it in the center, and then we'll place it this reference image here. Now first we'll fill color in this part. So you can either use this eyedropper tool to select the color from the reference image, or if you want, you can select the color from your color this toolbar. Now I will use this eyedropper and use color from the reference image, and then for stroke I will keep it black. Then for hair, just do black, select this fill button and select the black color from here, and similarly. Now for mustache and beard, again we'll use this black color. Now you can see this flat illustration is ready. Now if you want, you can keep these strokes. If you don't, then just remove it. Also, if you want to create this illustration a little bit more aesthetic, then create a new layer and then create a select this ellipse tool and create a ellipse, and then place it here. If you want, you can just keep it like this. So it's totally up to your creativity how you want to create it. And this is how you can create a simple flat illustration in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and comment. We'll meet you guys on next Sunday with another tutorial video.